How to make glow effect or glow object in Photoshop. First, click on the adjustment layer icon and choose black and white. Click on the adjustment layer icon and choose levels. Drag the shadow input level a little bit to the right. Go to the file and place embedded. Place the heart react PNG image. Click and drag the image to rotate it. Hit enter or return. Click the FX icon and choose blending options. Select the inner glow and just copy these settings. Select the outer glow and just copy these settings. And click OK. Select the background layer. Go to Select and select Subject. Select the Adjustments Levels layer. And create a new layer. Change the blend mode of the layer 1 to color. Click the foreground color, and the color picker choose red. Select the brush tool and soft round brush. And make sure, mode, normal, opacity, 100%, flow, 20 to 25%. Press the left and right square bracket key to increase or decrease brush size. And paint over these areas. Remove the selection, go to Select and deselect. Select the Move tool, and move the image any way you want. And this is the result.